Today I'm going to be walking you through how to use the My Porsche app. Down on the bottom you have the auxiliary ventilation. This acts as a fan from outside the vehicle. You can start right from your phone. You can unlock and lock the vehicle. You can see where the vehicle is parked on the map. You can discover news from Porsche. Well, if you go into details, you have an overview of the mileage, your fuel level, your next service, as well as the next inspection and oil change. In the My Porsche app, you can now use car functions through Apple CarPlay, such as climate, as well as changing the sound profile and seeing the air quality index and weather. These are some basic features of the Porsche app. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps guide you in the right direction.